Hi, fifth grade. It's Mrs. Tedesco. I'm coming from you from outside today because it's such a beautiful day. So today we're going to be continuing with our Round Robin Rondo song. 2 weeks ago, I asked you to fill in the notes here. Okay, and then last week your assignment was to go on to Music Chrome Lab, the song maker, and use your ear and notate the song as best you could and send it to me. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by singing through this Round Robin Rondo song using the different pitches that you figured out. And they're on the screen right here. Okay, go ahead and sing along with me. 1, 2, here we go. C, 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 B, A, G, F, E, F, G, C, 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 B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Good. So now that we have it back in our brains, I would encourage you to go ahead and go to your assignment from, I believe it's 10-2 or maybe the end 9:28, depending on which school you're at. Okay, and open this up so that you have it to look at while you open up your song maker. Okay, so go ahead and do that if you need to. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hop over to the Chrome Music Lab song maker, and I'm going to walk you through this so that you can check your work that you did last week. Okay, if you did not already do this, then you're getting a freebie, and here's the answers. So the thing that's tricky is that each section here, where you see my first 2 pink boxes, that represents 1 beat. So if you remember, our song starts with eighth notes, a TT, and remember, an eighth notes get 1 beat. 2 of them get 1 beat. So that means that this first box going up and down is going to equal 1 beat. So this is TT. Okay, so remember, oops, if you want to delete your work, you can just click on it again to erase it. Okay, so we know that our round robin starts with C, C, C. Okay. Now here's what's tricky. Remember, I told you that this equals 1 beat. And if you look at our song, this high C is a ta, which is 1 beat. So I can't show that by doing ta ta or TT because that wouldn't be right. So I have to leave this blank. Okay, it's not a rest, but it's a quarter note. Okay, so here's the answer. It goes C, 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 and then that's blank. Then we do it again. Okay, C, 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 and then it's B, A, G, F, and notice that each pitch is getting its own box, right? We don't want to stack them on top of each other. Otherwise, that means it would be playing all at the same time. And then it repeats. And then we've got the last section that's a little bit different, all the way to the bottom. So now remember the tempo down here, that's how fast or how slow your song's going to play. So I slowed mine down a little bit, and I'm going to push play and just check that it sounds right. Okay, sounds good to me. So I'm going to go over here, click the save. Okay, and this is going to pop up. It's going to ask you, or it's going to give you a link. You're going to copy your link. You're going to go over to your Google Music Classroom. You're going to send that link to me, and you can either send it in a private comment, or you can push the add button and select a document or a doc and send that to me. But please just make sure that after you send it, you click mark as done so I know you did your work, okay? So after today's lesson, since I gave you the answers, yours should be correct. If you have any questions, please email me, and I'll see you soon. Thanks, fifth grade.